Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do an enveloping of an item that I ordered during Memorial Day weekend. And what did I order and what's in this? And obviously you've seen this before. It is from the folks over at Hollywood Show. So yeah, folks, enough chit chat. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Like right now. Alrighty. So what did I receive in that envelope from the folks over at Hollywood Pictures? Or Hollywood Show, sorry. The Hollywood Show. It's the autograph of the wonderfully Suzanne Backleni, who you might know her as the character of Chrissy Watkins, the first victim in the opening scene of the 1975 Spielberg classic, Jaws. And let's get authenticated, dudes and dudettes. And also, what a coincidentally, right now it's the 49th anniversary of Jaws. Next year will be the 50th anniversary. If anybody's excited of Jaws, tell me what you guys think. And are you planning to get the 4Ks actually the 4K UHD of 3 and 4? Let me know in the comments. All I can tell you is that I'm a big fan of Jaws. I've seen the first one. I used to rent the second and third at Blockbuster when I was young. And I didn't know there was a fourth one. I saw it on AMC channel back when I was attending elementary school to middle school days, and I could have I don't know if they had it on VHS back then, Blockbuster, maybe at the Hollywood Videos, maybe, but I wasn't so sure. So yeah. So yeah, and I mean, I'm still gonna keep my DVD copy of The Revenge in my collection, but I'll get 3 and 4 on 4K because it has special features, interviews. The first two I have on DVD have documentaries. 3 and 4 are just bare bones. They don't have nothing on them, so I'm gonna be getting those pretty soon. So yeah. And let me know in the comments as well. Are you a fan of Jaws? Let me know in the comments. When was the first time that you either rented it or you got it on a format, from VHS to Betamax, Laserdiscs, DVDs, and Blu-rays, and then the 4K that we got 4 years ago, which indeed is superb and wonderfully restored. So yeah. And also very bummer that whatchamacallit, 7 years ago I was this close to meeting Susan Bagleni with Richard Dreyfuss, but the line got way too long, and I was a bit out of funds at that point. But all in all, no. I'm gonna say that the line was too damn long because you have fans of Richard Dreyfuss and Susan Bagleni mostly for Jaws, but also she worked with Spielberg again in the movie 1941, which was a moderate hit, but it did not do financially or successfully. It was just a moderate hit. But all in all, she was featured in the interviews, and she did the festivals over the years and met fans of the movie. So yeah, and sadly we lost her a month ago in May. And she was only, 3 months shy of her 78th birthday, because her birthday lands on September, which is kind of bummer. She'd be 78 this year, but sadly she died at 77. So yeah, before signing off, let me know in the comments what is your favorite Jaws movie, which is one of the favorite Jaws installments, characters, and such, and among other things. Let me know, are you guys a fan of Jaws? And any of you young BUCKSs haven't seen Jaws, buy yourself the copy or stream it. But mostly buy yourself the copy, yo. It's amazing movie. I still have my VHS. I'm gonna be doing my previous edition of Jaws pretty soon. And it's just that right now I'm just caught with life. Yeah, what life. So yeah, let me know what is your favorite Jaws movies, characters, dialogue, whatever. And how about the first time you either rented Jaws or bought the movie? Did you go on the rides when it was at Universal Studios? you know, and other things. Did you meet the people from Jaws at any conventions over the years? The Jaws Fest, let me know as well. So yeah, rest in peace, Susan Baglini, aka Chrissy Watkins, first victim. So yeah, and also you already know it's Beckett Authenticated, and here it is at the Hollywood show that happened on the 18th and 19th, but it was in the other side of the state. So yeah, and it's Beckett Authenticated good, and then this is how it is when you either get autographs signed by well-known celebrities or new ones, of course. So yeah. Okay, so let me show one more view from a different angle. Heck. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna zoom, baby. Oh man, you believe this? So here it is, folks. All right, before signing off, I mean, the YouTube community often posts what time I post videos at a certain time. Keep an eye on that once a day or so. And what else? Let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, the toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shouts to you all. And if you're a fan of content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate the thumbs ups. Have any opinions related to the content, comment down below. Alrighty. And always appreciate the thumbs ups. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Thursday, y'all. And later.